Yeah, I don't think either one of us have enough brain cells in our body right now, in our minds, to process the sheer amount of beauty that we're being exposed to right now. And I think that's where the idea of the sublime comes in, right? Like, you get so struck by the vastness of the outside world that nothing inside exists anymore. You're just pure experience, pure consciousness. Too excited to be here. It's been fucking raining for the last like 2 weeks straight. Yeah. On Vancouver Island, and so I've been cooped up at home, and I have been vitamin nature deficient. I think you have as well. Totally. So we're getting our fix in. We're getting lost in the woods and soup. I think no matter when we would come here, we would be struck by this beauty, but I think especially since we've been fucking cooped up inside for so long, it's like...
And there's sun.
And there's sun? I forgot how healing the fucking sun can be. What's that? What's all this?
Yeah, kelp, I think. Crazy kelp.
I wonder how it tastes.
Like a massive whip.
Pretty fucking salty. But it has a nice crunch like a carrot.
Yeah.
Have you ever tried biting into this? You gotta try it. The experience is 0 for taste, but like I would say 10 for texture.
It's like that nice, like, yeah, crispy carrot, like
it's just a crunch.
And then it's just like, no.
Yeet. This place is such a gift. It quite literally is. This is heaven. This is heaven. We've been living in heaven this entire time. Wait, what?
Wow. We've been put here to experience it.
Oh. So by that logic, I guess the only hell that really exists is the hell of forgetting where you are and who you are. You're God experiencing fucking heaven.
We are the universe put here to experience itself.
We are the universe put here to experience itself. I forgot what it means to function as a human being. But I seem to be doing it. I'm just on autopilot right now.
Same.
Experiencing the experience of life itself. Oh. You know what I just realized? We've been in flow the moment that we stepped onto this land.
Oh yeah, totally.
The entire time.
Totally.
Because like nothing else fucking matters to me. Are you thinking of anything other than this place? No.
I love it.
No.
It captures you and it keeps you.
I have a sincere question for you, Mike.
What's that?
From one young ecologist to another. What the fuck are we supposed to do? Like, we've been given this intense desire to be out here experiencing this place, and obviously we're curious to understand it, you know? But then what? What do we do with all that understanding?
I honestly, I think if you use it right, if you understand your environment, you can appreciate it a lot more. Like if you understand the science of the rainforest, it makes you just kind of sit back in awe and just realize just how crazy it is. I mean, there's one level, like, just seeing it, and then there's another level of understanding it, and it's just fucking incredible.
And even just the term understanding is so underrated.
Yeah.
Because what does it mean to understand? It's literally to stand underneath something and be able to literally identify everything that's going on above you. Mm-hmm. And you're embodying it. You're embodying that wisdom. It's not just something that you know in your brain.
You become.
You become.
You become the rainforest.
You become one. Is that not the whole purpose? We have been born. And I guess the biggest sin of humanity is forgetting that we are part of the whole. Mm-hmm. It's for believing that we're separate. And I guess the pursuit of knowledge is just the pursuit of unity. In a way.
Some deep shit.
The more you know, the more you understand. And you just embody. You embody. We literally are embodying the fucking universe. Like, we're the best. We're one of the best of this life's creations. How crazy is that? We're mobile. We're sentient.
Conscious.
We're fucking conscious.
Self-aware.
Self-aware. Aware of self. What is the self?
That's a whole another thing.
There's myself. Wow. There's yourself. There's itself. What do they all have in common?
Self.
Self. Unity. The soul. The thing that we all share. Fuck, man.
It's humbling. Very humbling.
It is. It's like, why am I focusing on myself when there's so much more than just me? That's only one aspect of self. And of course that sucks, because I'm limiting myself from experiencing all the other aspects of self.
You got it.
No wonder I've been feeling disconnected.
You got it.
Oh, forgetting is a gift.
Can be.
It can be. Because when you remember, when you remember, when you realize once again that you are part of the whole, and that everything that I'm seeing out here is me. Sacrifice it well.
This banana peel is being sacrificed to the gods.
And what is this sacrifice for?
Sacrifice is to appreciate the awareness of the self and itself.
We're sacrificing this banana peel as thank you. If you don't. Which may happen. Yeah, focus on your next step. But it shall be sacrificed with great intention as thank you for life itself.
It's not for me to decide.
Oh, that's beautiful.
If I should be the one by your
I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but like he put the leaf on top so intentionally. Now that, my friend, is a beautiful sacrifice. I need to capture this moment of sincerity, just in case I ever fucking forget how much I can enjoy life. And we didn't pay anything. Maybe some gas to get here.
Barely.
Barely. But this is free.
for one another. Just another
And that's why it's so fun. Because it's free. In every sense of the word, it's free. We're free. Free from our minds, free from the fucking reality that we confine ourselves to. We just experience.
So, you're on Vancouver Island. Here's what's crazy about this place. You have this beautiful coastal rainforest here. By the way, it's like 15 degrees. Almost December. And it's just lush greenery. It's crazy. And then you're like step 2 feet over. You got to step in. And then that is a kelp forest. You can't see them under the water, but it's one of the most rich marine biodiverse environments. And then you have beautiful mountain range.